The text provides an overview of various manufacturing processes, including shaping, machining, joining, casting, forging, rolling, extrusion, welding, brazing, soldering, and powder metallurgy. Each process is described with its common methods, advantages, and disadvantages. Manufacturing process. Raw material to finished product. Classification, shaping, machining, joining, finishing, property changing. Shaping process. Changes shape/size without material removal. Common methods, casting, forging, drawing, rolling, extruding. Machining process. Changes shape/size by removing material. Common methods, turning, shaping, drilling, grinding, milling. Joining process. Joins two or more parts. Common methods, welding, brazing, soldering, bolting, riveting, shrink fitting. Molding and casting. Casting produces parts by pouring molten metal into a mold. Molding, making mold using a pattern. Molding classifications, bench, floor, pit, machine. Properties of molding: sand, porosity, cohesiveness, adhesiveness, plasticity, refractoriness, flowability, chemical stability. Sand casting. Uses sand molds with a gating system. Core creates internal cavities. Permanent mold casting. Metal molds, uses gravitational force. Advantages, closer tolerances, better finish, strength. Disadvantages, not for large castings, high cost, mass production. Die casting. Uses external pressure. Fast process, metallic mold, die. Types, hot chamber, cold chamber. Advantages, high production rate, close tolerances, high finish, economical for mass production. Disadvantages, not all alloys, not for large castings, high cost. Forging. Changes shape by compressive force in plastic state. Types, hand, drop, press, machine forging. Methods, upsetting, drawing down, bending, punching. Rolling. Forms metals by passing between rollers. Types, 2 high, 3 high, 4 high, cluster mills. Hot rolling, above recrystallization temp. Cold rolling, below recrystallization temp. Extrusion. Forms products of uniform cross-section. Types, direct, forward, indirect, backward. Direct, metal forced through die by ram. Indirect, extruded part moves opposite to ram. Welding. Joins metals by heat. Types, electrical resistance, arc, gas, thermit welding. Electrical resistance welding. Low voltage, high current. Types, spot, flash, butt, seam welding. Arc welding. Uses electric arc to fuse surfaces. Electrodes coated with slag/flux. Gas welding. Fusion welding with fuel gas combustion. Common flame, oxyacetylene. Thermit welding. Exothermic chemical reaction. Produces high-purity iron, aluminum oxide. Brazing. Joins metals with filler metal by capillary action. Filler metal melts, workpiece does not. Melting point greater than 450 degrees Celsius, workpiece metal. Soldering. Similar to brazing, lower filler metal melting point, less than 450 degrees Celsius. Weaker joints than welding/brazing. Powder metallurgy. Presses fine powders into shape, heats to bond. Processes, powder manufacturing, blending, compacting, sintering. Powder manufacturing, mechanical methods, common powders, copper, iron. Blending, homogeneous mixture. Compacting, converts loose powder into compact. Sintering, heats to near melting point for strength/hardness.